Привет, друзья! Hello, friends! Welcome back! Today we're going to talk about Russian sentence structure and word order. You need to remember that they are flexible. It means that you can put words in different places in the sentence and the meaning will stay pretty much the same. For example, in English we say, she is a student. If we try is student a she or anything else, the meaning will change. In Russian, we can do this, but it's not random. It depends on the context and emotions of the speaker. For example, я была на работе. I was at work. Normal sentence. На работе я была. I was at work. But when somebody asks you 100 times already, you're annoyed. Была я как-то на работе. I was at work once. And then follows some story. As you can see, it's not random at all. For this stage, just stay with the basic word order. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples, don't worry about the endings, we'll learn them later, now only the word order is important. Она работает сегодня. She's working today. Папа читает книгу. Dad is reading a book. Катя гуляет в парке. Kate is walking in a park. Now we can move on to the questions in Russian. So-called yes-no questions are formed just with intonation. You don't have to change the word order to make a question. In English, she is a teacher. Is she a teacher? In Russian, она учитель. Она учитель? In English, this is a girl. Is this a girl? In Russian, это девушка. Это девушка? In English, he is sick. Is he sick? In Russian, он болеет. Он болеет? Also, you can use the question words to make questions. Here are some of them. Кто? Who? Что? What? Где? Where? Когда? When? Почему? Зачем? Why? Repeat the following examples after me and practice these question constructions. Что? Что это? What is it? Это книга. It is a book. Она твоя? Is it yours? Да, это моя книга. Yes, this is my book. Кто? Привет. Ты кто? Hi, how are you? Здравствуй, я Маша. А ты? Hello, I'm Masha. And you? А я Марина. And I am Marina. Кто здесь доктор? Who is a doctor here? Я доктор. I'm a doctor. Где? Алло, ты где? Hello, where are you? Я здесь. I'm here. Где книга? Where is the book? Там. Over there. Когда? Когда он гуляет? When does he walk? Он гуляет сейчас. He is walking right now. Почему и зачем? Почему ты работаешь? Сейчас ночь. Why are you working? It's night now. Зачем она здесь? Это библиотека. What is she here for? It's a library. Она читает. She is reading. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. Hope to see you next time.